This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Serena Fagan Johnson. Watch virtual 3D tour above voted #1 retirement community in the USA by Realtor.com and Travel and Leisure. Rare opportunity first floor condo right on the golf course. Maintenance free, luxury, golf course view condo cradled in the heart of Toscana in Renaissance. Move-in ready, coastal colors, fresh paint, sparkling clean and stunning golf course / pond / country club view west / open floor plan and no neighbors in your backyard. 10 to 12 ceilings west / tray inserts, tall arched doorways, lovely honey colored laminate and move-in ready. This handsome condo has a vista of the golf course, pond, conservation area and wildlife just outside your lanai, along with a stunning view of the Renaissance clubhouse. Kitchen boasts of lovely Korean countertops, a gas range and 42 tall all-wood cabinets with undermount lighting and walk-in pantry. Dining area is perfect for intimate gatherings and private dinners. Living area is a vista of golf course and country club views with sea breezes wafting through the condo. Owner's suite is spacious with full golf course views, a private entrance onto the lanai, and an ensuite bathroom for ultimate privacy. Neutral paint tones and large windows makes this space the ultimate room for relaxing. A walk-in closet has space for everything. Due to the split plan, the remaining 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the condo offer privacy, along with their own private bathroom. They are spacious, with large windows for natural Florida sunshine. The laundry room is generous with brand new washer and dryer combo, matching cabinets, a utility sink and bright lights. The clean garage has lots of shelving, cabinetry and a workbench. Condo has been meticulously cared for and loved, nothing has been overlooked for maximum enjoyment. From the eat-in kitchen, living room and dining room, you enjoy the open green space and wildlife. The back screened patio is large with a brand new gas grill to convey with the sail and enjoys views off of the 9th hole. You are literally a 1-minute walk to the Renaissance Clubhouse, with a huge heated pool and state-of-the-art fitness center, where you can meet up with friends and enjoy a drink or dinner. Luxury and function at its best. The building is a luxury fourplex with 2 condos up and 2 condos down. The upstairs condos have their own private entrances and there is 18 of concrete dead air space between the floors to ensure silence / privacy. Social membership of the Renaissance Country Club is required, offers fitness center, pool, spa, restaurant and many more amenities. Sun City Center is a 55 and better community offering a state-of-the-art fitness center, an indoor Olympic lap pool, an indoor resistance pool, outdoor pools, softball, pickleball, tennis, arts / crafts, woodworking, lawn bowling, dancing, all told 200+ clubs and activities. Many of us keep just 1 car and a golf cart.